Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the 3-pack pull-out drawer organizer kit, a versatile solution for transforming your kitchen cabinets, pantry, or bathroom into a model of organization. This kit includes 3 different sizes of adhesive drawers, allowing you to mix and match to perfectly fit your space, with dimensions of 15.75 inches deep by 5.12, 7.09, and 10.63 inches wide. Installation is a breeze. Simply peel off the nano tape and place the drawers where you need them, or use the included screws for added stability. Enjoy smooth and quiet sliding thanks to the damping guide rails, which ensure noise-free operation and feature a sliding stop to prevent overextension. Revolutionize your space with these pull-out drawers designed to systematically organize your items, whether you're using them as a bathroom storage solution, a kitchen spice rack, or a pantry organizer. Effortlessly access your belongings with a simple slide, eliminating the chaos of searching through cluttered cabinets. Embrace the ease of organized living and say goodbye to frustrating searches with this innovative cabinet organizer kit. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.